today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively add alternative text to an image in your Canva project. This is a crucial step in ensuring your designs are accessible to everyone, including those who use screen readers. Let's dive right in and make your project more inclusive and user-friendly. First, you'll need to navigate to your Canva project. This is where all your creative ideas come to life, so go ahead and open the specific project you are working on. Once you're in, you'll want to locate the image to which you'd like to add alternative text. This alt text is important as it provides a written description of the image, which can be read aloud by screen readers or displayed in place of an image if it fails to load. With your desired image in sight, the next step is to open the Quick Actions menu. You can either click directly on Quick Actions, or if you're a fan of shortcuts, simply hit the Huaosh key on your keyboard. This is a nifty trick that speeds up your workflow. Once the menu is open, you'll need to search for Design Accessibility. This feature is specifically designed to improve the usability of your projects for people with disabilities. When you select Design Accessibility, a window will pop up on the right side of your screen. This section is essentially your accessibility command center, guiding you through the process of making your designs better for everyone. Look for your image within this window and click on Add Alternative Text. As you do this, you'll be presented with two options. You can either type in your own description based on what your image depicts, or you can select Suggestion, which allows Canva's AI to generate alt text for you. The AI-generated suggestions are often quite helpful, but ensure that they accurately reflect the image's content before proceeding. Once you've decided on the best alt text, click Save to finalize your changes. This last action ensures that your alt text is embedded into the image, making it accessible every time the project is used or published. It's a simple process, yet it makes a significant difference in how inclusive your design can be. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added alternative text to an image in your Canva project, taking an important step towards making your designs more accessible to everyone. By incorporating alt text, you're not only improving your design project, but also contributing to a more inclusive online environment. Remember, accessibility is an ongoing commitment, so keep up the fantastic work in all your future projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.